Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to turn on dark mode in Twitter app. Step 1, open Twitter. If you're on desktop, click More in the navigation bar on the left to reveal more options. If you're on mobile, open the navigation bar by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. Click or tap the settings and privacy in the navigation bar. Click or tap accessibility, display, and languages. Then click display if you're on desktop or tap display and sound if you're on mobile. On desktop, look under background to select your preferred theme from default white, dark, gray, dim, and pitch black. On mobile app, tap dark mode to open the menu, then tap the toggle next to dark mode to turn it on or off. Once turned on, you choose how dark you want Twitter to be by selecting their dim or light under theme. And that's it. Thanks for watching.